Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today your girl is making some sweet and sour chicken. Yeah, and you have to cut your chicken in small pieces like cube-like sizes, and then I have to add my Jamaican kick. So I add some Maggi seasoning, some salt, some pepper, and then I'm just gonna rub that in real good and put it aside to marinate. So now I'm just going to cut up my bell peppers, and you're going to cut them in cube like size as well. And if you have green bell peppers, that would be better than the yellow one because it would actually give your dish a more vibrant color. This is what your bell pepper should be looking like, guys. Now you're going to go ahead and do the same thing with your onion. Cut them in the same shape, and then you're going to do the same thing to your pineapples. Now it's time to season your flour, guys. And to that flour, I went ahead and add some more Maggi seasoning to add some extra flavor to my chicken. You're gonna need to add a little bit more salt and some baking powder, just a little bit of baking powder. Just use your judgment to the amount of flour that you know you have. And to that, I'm gonna add some cooking oil, some vegetable oil, and some water. Now you're just gonna add your chicken to that mixture and mix it up real nice. Now it's time to deep fry your chicken. Guys, make sure that you're constantly stirring your chicken so that they fry evenly and so that they don't stick together. Look at that, guys. Nice and crisp on the outside and cooked beautifully on the inside. This is for Kendra. She doesn't want hers in the sauce. Now it's time to make your sauce, guys, and I didn't have any tomato paste, so I went ahead and used ketchup. That's fine. I did add some hot sauce to that as well because they wanted it spicy, and I also add vinegar and some brown sugar. Well, I didn't have any brown sugar, so I just used granulated sugar. You will also need to add some water to that sauce, and you can thicken it with some cornstarch if you wish. Now that my sauce is ready, I'm just going to add my chicken, and at this point I'm going to turn the stove off and just let it simmer because I want the chicken to keep that crispiness, you know. There you have it, guys. Sweet and sour chicken. Kudos to me for keeping back some coins in your pocket. You don't have to run out to that Chinese restaurant. Create your own dish at home, guys. Love you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.